Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explain to you why 17 is so successful. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and always be up to date. So let's get it started. 17, a South Korean boy band, has achieved considerable success in the K-pop industry. Here are some factors that have contributed to their success. 1. Exceptional musicality and choreography. 17 is known for their intricate choreography, synchronized movements, and impressive stage presence. The members actively participate in the production of their music, showcasing their songwriting, composition, and arranging skills. Their diverse discography spans various genres, demonstrating their musical versatility. 2. Unique concept and group dynamics. 17 is a self-producing group with 3 units: vocal, hip-hop, and performance, each with distinct characteristics and talents. This unique concept allows for diverse musical styles and performances, appealing to a broad range of fans. The strong teamwork, camaraderie, and close bond among the members contribute to their appeal. 3. Engaging fan interaction and fan-driven content. 17 prioritizes their fanbase, known as Carrots, and actively engages with them through social media, fan events, and fan-driven content. They frequently communicate with fans, expressing gratitude, and sharing personal updates, creating a strong sense of connection and loyalty. 4. High-quality productions and music videos. 17's music videos are known for their visually appealing and well-choreographed scenes. They consistently release high-quality content that captivates viewers and adds to their appeal. 5. Global recognition and world tours. 17 has gained international recognition through their music, performances, and global promotions. They have successfully embarked on world tours, performing in various countries and connecting with fans on a global scale. 6. Positive and uplifting messages. 17's music often conveys positive and uplifting messages, promoting self-love, friendship, and youth empowerment. Their lyrics resonate with fans and contribute to their relatability and positive image. 7. Support from Pledis Entertainment. 17 is under Pledis Entertainment, which has provided strong management and support throughout their career. The agency has facilitated their promotions, supported their creative endeavors, and helped establish strategic partnerships and collaborations. 8. Talent, hard work, and dedication. 17 members are highly skilled and dedicated performers who continuously strive for excellence. Their consistent hard work, talent, and passion for their craft have contributed to their growth and success. It is important to note that 17's success is the result of a combination of factors, including their musicality, unique concept, fan engagement, and the support of their agency. Their continuous efforts to evolve and connect with fans have made them a popular and successful K-pop group. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful